Hey editor, a lot of editors assume creators judge them on pacing, effects, or how clean the cut looks. That's usually not what's happening. What creators actually react to is whether an edit feels comfortable to sit inside, whether it lets them relax or quietly makes them tense without knowing why. That's the part most editors never learn to see. Now, I just uploaded a video where you can watch me work through that exact problem inside a client's timeline live. Not reacting to a finished edit, not explaining things after the fact, actually stopping, changing shots, removing moments, and adjusting pacing in real time based on how the edit feels, not how it technically checks out. This is the part of editing that normally happens off camera. Most of the time, this kind of decision making only shows up inside private consultations or inside the Elite Editor Academy simply because it's not flashy. It's slow, it's judgment calls, and it's hard to explain unless you're watching it happen. In this video, you see things like shots that look good but undermine the story emotionally, moments where speeding up actually hurts retention, silence doing more work than music, and small choices that instantly change how safe or uneasy a viewer feels. If you've ever had edits that were fine, but didn't lead to better clients or feedback that felt vague or hard to act on, this will probably feel familiar. If you go to my channel, it's going to be called This Editing System Took Me from $200 Edits to $12,000 a month. But one thing to be clear about before you click, this isn't about learning new tricks or shortcuts. It's about learning how to recognize the decisions creators feel immediately, but rarely explain. Once you start seeing those moments, your edits change in a way that's hard to reverse. That shift is the same one that took me from doing $200 edits to making editing my full-time income. And if this way of thinking resonates, that's exactly what the Elite Editor Academy is built around. Not software walkthroughs, not effects, just understanding why certain decisions build trust and others quietly break it. But start with the video. Watching the decisions happen is the part that a lot of editors never get access to. Y'all have a good one.